Typical fans use oscillation, but that air doesn't travel very far, and you can only feel the effect in one spot at a time. Action, a powerful stream of air that flows fast, cool and constant in a twisting spiral pattern. This stream of air uses the walls and ceiling as pathways to circulate and recirculate the cool air, which flows continuously throughout the room. The result? You feel the difference, no matter where you are, cool and comfortable.
Hey everyone, check out this amazing camping fan that I just discovered. This camping fan is perfect for anyone who loves to camp or be outdoors. It's lightweight, portable, and keeps you cool on those hot summer nights. And the camping fan can even power your mobile devices, so you never have to worry about your phone running out of battery. With its large 20,000 mAh battery, this camping fan has a long battery life, so you can stay cool and connected all day and night. The fan can be rotated to any angle, so you can direct the cool air wherever you need it most. With 3 wind speed gears, you can adjust the fan to your desired level of coolness. And if you're worried about the fan running all night, don't be. It has a timer function that can turn it off at regular intervals. So what are you waiting for? Keep cool, connected, and comfortable on your next camping trip with this amazing camping fan.
Hello everyone, today I want to show you this Opolar portable fan. That mini air conditioning fan comes with 6200 RPM high rotation motor, which creates strong airflow to save you from the summer heat. Upgraded 6000 mAh maximum battery capacity supports long working time up to 15.5 hours. You can clip your fan in your belt or around your neck or use it as a charging block. It also supports flexible charging from any USB device. Carry this fan around for more activities, explore for more possibilities as cool summer time awaiting. Thank you!